Yo, 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 what's goody? Welcome back, y'all. We live. Welcome back for another trading video. Y'all know what time it is. It's money time. We gonna get into it, y'all. Yo. Y'all see what we got on the screen? We got gold up here, y'all. It's a beautiful Tuesday. We're just gonna see what we can find in these markets today. If we can find anything in these markets today. All right. So let's get it popping. I want to shut the music off because I want us to be fully in tune. I'm going to make a few updates real quick. What is the thing? We're going to discuss what happened yesterday. Today on today's class. Turn my phone down because I see that it's going to buzz all morning already. It's 8 o'clock. Y'all know what time it is. Trading time. Alright, so we took a trade yesterday and we won, but we lost 1, 2. Oops. Alright, I'm trying to see what we got going on. Oh man, go back. I'm just trying to update the stream real quick. Let's see. We lost that one yesterday. Alright, so let's see what else we gotta do. Oh yeah, I know what I need to change. I'm like behind y'all. Okay, let's get it. Let me save that so people don't think that we're still in May. We're actually in June. Okay. Alright, my bad about that. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's see what we got here. Where's all my markings? Okay. Alright guys, let's let me reiterate on what happened yesterday. On yesterday's trade. Alright, ooh, gold is doing what I was assuming she was going to do. Guys, let me go, where were we, on a 15-minute or something? Yesterday's a little foggy. Okay, alright, so we were here yesterday. Let me show you. We were here in this area. Okay. Remember I said that when market was falling from last week, the NFP, that she got to a point where she stopped and then she gave us an engulfing candle here. All right. And they did a perfect nice little wick off setup here, right? And then we got the markup. Okay. Now we were here on stream yesterday and the group got a trade at 22.98 and we took profit at 23.05. Then stream kicks in and we tried to buy again, right? Our stop got hit we would have needed another like 27 pips worth of to pull our stop loss back down. 27 pips would have been like a 60 pip stop, and she actually would have played out for us nicely. She would have played out nicely. Okay. It's just my stop, and I wasn't willing to sacrifice all of the profits that I had made for yesterday off of this one P&L. I took this trade and I took a loss of 40 pip, but look, she did go our way, which I could have held it. I could have, like I said, I could have held 100 pip stop, but you know, I didn't want to do that on stream. Do a 100 pip stop, right? Let's just be a little bit more realistic. When it comes to brand new traders, they don't have 100 pip stops. They have like 30, 50 pip stops. So I could show you guys why, how we can get stopped out, but how we can still be profitable, right? Because we took 2 trades. So we ended up the day with 20 pips, okay? And let's see. So market did play out for us, did give us our TP. This is where we were aiming for, okay? I didn't change anything on this chart. We were aiming for this one. We did get it eventually in the future. It came back around 11:15, right? Yesterday. So before noon, we would have hit our TP. TP 1, 2, and 3, which they only gave us TP 1 and turned around, right? We didn't get TP 2 or 3, but that's okay. The analysis played out, right? Just my stop wasn't further down, too far down. Okay, because they did do a retracement. I did see this candle here had a gap, right? It had a gap in this candle right here. So me thinking that she was going to come back was right. She was going to come back and go back up. This is where I should have got my entry here versus up here. All right, there's nothing wrong with going back and looking at where you went wrong or where you went right and what you should have done. You were thinking the right thing. We were thinking buys. We were right. We just wasn't, I guess, a little patient on this one. We could have waited on her to come back down. But that's when you could have adjusted your stop. You could have took a bigger, larger stop, or, like me, I just got stopped out and ran away with my 20 pip. But, all right, so let's get into the game. All of this happened after stream. Where are we right now? It looks like we're going to be buying gold. She still looks like she has liquidity here at the top. We do have some gaps. She's sitting in one of her gaps right now. So let's just clean this up a little bit so we can see what we got going this way. Because what we don't need, I told you guys she bounces at these, look at this gap I put down here. Look at that right here, shot. She came back into this gap and could have played off this gap on the buy, right? Where was she going? She was coming up here to these gaps because she had made slippage, right? She created slippage coming down, and then she got down here into this gap here, but this was the buy, right? I didn't take this trade. I didn't see this trade. I'm looking at it now. This was a nice little trade here, okay? Now, this would have been a shot for a buy, and it came back, kind of like retesting this area, but then they're flying, okay? I want to see us buy all the way up to these tops and get up in this area and possibly get back up here, because remember, we got a lot of slippage happening. We got to come all the way back up. So we're going to buy this market back up, right? And this is what I'm thinking now. I'm thinking like, okay, let me buy this market But first, before I buy this market, let me see what dollar is doing. Dollar is retracing back down, looks like. Okay, we're getting a sale. Boom, we got a gaps down here. We could be coming back down to these gaps. So I'm thinking right now, real quick, just real quick with it, looking at all of this, I'm thinking we could buy this market. All right, and then let's see. This was already my area where I wanted to take her up, so I'm thinking, well, I just need to find a position to get her in. So I'm going to buy real quick. Alright, we're going to long here. We're going to take these tops. And we're going to aim for, we just want 60 pips. That's all we want. We ain't being greedy today. We just want a 60. We want to take these lows. Let's take it below this low. Let me go to 15 minute real quick. We're just going to buy this right now. So, because all this liquidity up here, I want to aim for that. So, we're going to buy. Where are we sitting right now? 2310. Um, 2312 and 2314 and 2316. Some close targets. We're gonna try to hit some close targets right now. All right. And then I'm gonna do a stop of like 2305, just a 50 pip stop. You know what I mean? Nothing too serious like that. We're gonna buy that. I'm gonna drop this off in the group real quick. Boom, you guys got the trade. Happy trading. Okay. Now we're just gonna adjust this here to. We're gonna do something like 05. That's what it is. All right, cool. Now we're in the trade. All right, I know this was fast, but I had to do it quick because I had to see where we was at, check out dollar, see what's going on with dollar, see what happened yesterday. All right, we're still in the up position. We haven't broke this and came down, so we're going to go up now. I hope you guys are seeing that. All right, we just took this trade real fast, and we're up already. Okay, TP1 is right here at 2312. Okay, 2312 is TP1, and we are rising. Dollar should be falling. TP1 just smashed. Okay, I mean, sometimes guys, I'll come on this stream and this thing will happen very fast. It will be something so quick, like I can't even get it out. 60 seconds later, we're hitting TP1. All right, if you're in the group, you are seeing that I am typing this trade for you guys out. I already sent it live to everyone. All right, at this point, we're just going to see about this market continuing up. I want to check DXY real quick, just real fast, just to make sure we're still getting that little push to the downside. Perfect. All right, so let's keep going. Let's see about, you have an option here, since we're up 20 pips already. You can let this trade ride, or if you want to protect yourself, you can go ahead and move your stop to break even if you like. All right, now you're floating 20 pips in profit. I'm gonna say move SL to break even for risk-free trading. Boom. We're done with no loss. This is going to be a win no matter what. We're up now. Now I'm looking for 23, 2314 even right here. We're looking for that now, and we're also looking for 2316 as the TP3. Okay, hope you guys got that. TP1 already hit. We're waiting on now TP2, and TP3 is up here at these levels. All right, 2316 and 2314. All right, there's our TP2. We are already at break even. We've already got into the trade, and now we're just gonna ride this bad boy out. Okay, I'm seeing like these money in the wicks, wick. There's money sitting there. There's money in this wick here, and then we have this insufficiency in price sitting all the way up here at the top here. All right, just drag this over. Okay. And we're still getting this nice little push to the high side. And we have our targets already. We lined those up yesterday, so I know what I'm already aiming for. So when I come to these charts the next day, right, this morning, I will already have this marked. I don't have time to mark this, you know, in the morning times unless I get up super early and try to determine on which direction I want market to go in or where market is going to go. You know, it's best that you go ahead and mark these and keep them on your chart. This is why, I don't know, a lot of other people, traders, they have it like blank or whatever, and then they go and having to discuss everything and show what their eyes are seeing. I already got you guys locked in to what it is my eyes are seeing. I'm seeing all these areas here that I marked. Okay, these are my indicators letting me know where market gaps are, right? And what direction the gravitational pull could possibly be going into, right? So this is, I'm feeling like this pull is pulling this market up. So we should buy this market up into these liquidity areas, okay? So we're just gonna let this ride. We're already at break even. We are now running 34 pips in profit and moving. Oh, one more thing I wanted to check. Today's 11th. We don't have news, great, but we do have news tomorrow, which is going to be fun, right? All right, back to the chart. See what's going on. All right, let me update this other group. I'll apply. Smashed. Okay. All right, just updating the group right now. I'm just letting you know what's happening. To break even for risk trade. All right. Waiting on the other alert while I update the group real quick. This is going to be fast. Alright, cool. So we are already in this trade and we are already at break even, and we've already reached our TP1. Now we're aiming for TP2. Right? We're getting above. We already got these guys. These guys are out. Their stop losses are gone. Okay. So they're gone. Gone. TP2 smashed. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. So we're already done with TP2. I'm waiting on TP3 to come through. Alright. Sometimes, guys, this shit happens so fast. I can barely even let the group know fast enough that the TPs have been hit. You feel me? Like, it just be happening so quick. Come on. All right. Because of the fact that we have already, like I said, already had our eyes on certain areas, and we knew all that slippage, there was all buyers and sellers in this market. This is an uneven market. Market has to have an equilibrium, right? And this is uneven. This is an imbalanced market, right? We're not even 50% of this whole impulsive move right here. Not even at 50%. So I was thinking like, well, because we haven't retraced back down to these lows, we're most likely going up, and due to the fact that DXY was falling now, got to a point where she wanted to fall, well, you already know how that go. What's the rule of thumb? When DXY is falling, gold is rising. Here we go. Gold is rising. We're already in the trade, hit TP1 and 2. TP3 coming up. Man, you know what, man? We need a little... We need a little bit of this. Hold on. Let me just put a little bit on. So we could just watch this thing. You feel me? Like, just a little tad bit of music in the background while we wait on this trade to play out. Beautiful, beautiful setup. Nice. Remember, I said she came back down into this area. I left this here. Said, yo, this is where they're going to come, and this is will be a point of where I would be wanting market to come down to for the buy, right? This would have been, oops, I'm sorry. This would have been nearby here. And then where would you aim? Insufficiency here. And then these tops, of course. Okay, that would have been a 158 pip move. All right, this move is a 158 pip move from this POI that I had marked up, but I didn't see it. You know what I'm saying? I was asleep at this time. I just, you know, in the future, you know, I just figured she would come back down to this area due to this imbalance in this candle right here. Right? Look, spot on, guys. No, I'm not a wizard, but that shit was spot on. You can't tell me that wasn't just perfect, right? That was like perfect. Okay. Now, we don't have any news today, so it's just regular trading. All right. Doesn't mean that we're not gonna get pushes. Doesn't mean that, you know, market ain't gonna do its thing. It's still gonna do whatever it gotta do. Right. We gotta remember that real quick, that news is just an excuse to move markets, okay? We know that. News is just an excuse to move markets. So, no, we don't always need news. You know, we don't always need that excuse. She's going to do what she's going to do anyway. You feel me? So yeah, that's the plan. That's that right there. So let me just double check on dollar one more time, because dollar is moving kind of up a little bit. Let me see what's above on dollar. Oh, we still got this nice little gap here. And we got a nice little area of gaps down here too. So we could, let's see, up. We can go up. What's up? That wick. This wick here. Right? And they playing in that wick. But yeah, they're all up in this wick right now. Above this wick is liquidity sitting there. We got a gap right here. So yeah, we just wait it out and see what is it gonna do. I'm looking at all of this down here. She left this gap, didn't fill this gap yet. So eventually we're going to have to fill this gap. Just don't know when, sometime in the future, right? But in the meantime, we're sitting here, all right? We're sitting here now. Let's see if we can get TP3 for 60 pips. We're already at TP2 for 40 pips. If you want to take your money, your shmoneys, and go, you can. Feel free to exit the class. Your job is done. All right? This class is not to be here all day. I'm not the type of instructor that's going to teach you to death, okay? I am the type of instructor that's going to get straight to the point. Let's get this money and let's go about our day because we got other things that we got to do for the day, right? We want to be done before the 9 to 5ers even roll over to get up to go to work. We want to already hit our money, right? Because think about it, guys. We're playing in this big $1 trillion game. And the 9 to 5ers are waking up to go to a company that's not making $1 trillion a year. You feel me? And we're playing in $1 trillion a day game, right? All you got to do is just show the fuck up. That's it. Show up. And we just gonna show out, right? People laughing at you now because you're a trader. People got stuff to say about you, your family. You know, they not supporting you in your trading. Guys, it's okay. It's 100% okay. Because guess what? In the end, I promise you, you're going to have the last laugh. Okay? You just got to come here, show up, and be consistent. Yes, we're going to take some little L's, you know, but we ain't going to cry about it. We're going to keep it moving and grooving. Because guess what? That one L going to lead to 10 wins. You feel me? We're going to win more than we lose and still be up, right? So, I'm here. I support you guys. You know what I mean? I ain't laughing at you. I'm rooting for you. You know what I mean? To become a great trader. So, when you come to super income class, you come in here to be your best, right? To find the best you so that you can free yourself. Because trading can free you, right? If you approach it right, it can. Okay? This is a long-term game, guys. This is not something that you're going to sit back and just do one for 1 year, get your money, and then you're never coming back. No, we're consistently every day for years and years and years of your life going to continue to trade. Guys, this is something that I want to do until I die. Nobody is going to change that. If they don't like it, they don't have to watch it. They don't have to be around me. You can unfriend me. You don't have to see my posts. You don't got to do none of that. But guess what you will do? You will see me succeed, right? And I'll be doing things that you would never, ever be able to imagine to do because you work a 9 to 5. But there's absolutely nothing wrong with working a 9 to 5 if you're planning it accordingly. Let's say I go get a 9 to 5 job and I take those checks and I put them into my broker's account instead of my bank account. You're thinking in the right way, right? And you trade that money. You know what I'm saying? You're taking the money that you worked for time, right? For somebody else, and you're bringing it to this market and you're multiplying it. You're 100xing that money. So there's nothing wrong with a job. Hell, if you still have a job, good. Do right with your funds. Pay little bills, but also pay yourself and put money in your broker account. Okay? Looks like we're going to come up on TP3. I mean, yeah, TP3 getting ready to get hit. Let's go. Come on. Just a little push, which we will get most likely. So we're just going to wait. But guys, don't overcomplicate trading. Trading is simple. There's only 2 doors that you can go to, right? There's a buy and a sell door. Which door are you going to choose? Basing off my analysis, I'm choosing to go with the buy door. And we just hit TP3. So, you know what time it is. Let me update the group. Let them know that TP3 was hit. And guys, by 8:32, we are done. 8:32, and we're finished with the day, right? With TP3 has been hit. I would suggest you either you can hold this trade break even, or you could take some partials along the way. We're up. I'm up. I'm really up. Which is great. I'm gonna find a way to show you guys my my trades when I take them, so that you can see the profits on the screen. I see some people have their profits like a little screen with their profits on there. I want to do that too, so eventually I'm gonna upgrade to that. But here we are. We're done for the day. TP 1, 2, and 3 have been smashed. Okay, all TP smashed, and boy, we're killing it. We are killing it this week already. Let's go. What is that? Me typing too fast. That's what it is. Alright, so we're done, guys. I mean, go back to my previous streams and you'll know why these markings are here, right? Because I marked these markings on stream for you. Let's go. Let's go. That's a wrap. If you're new to the channel and you're just getting this stream, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with somebody who is learning how to trade or want to know how to advance their trading, right? Because all I trade is smart money concepts. I don't trade nothing else. Okay? This is it. All right? So, share it with them, all that good stuff. Hit that notification bell. So, you know, when I go live every day, Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, you'll know, you'll get the little alert, and you can jump on stream immediately and see what it is that we got going, right? I didn't have a trade before I got on stream today. I discussed this yesterday that sometimes I'll come on stream and I don't have a trade set up yet, but you'll see the trade set up on stream after I get on, and then I'll put the trade out. Sometimes the trade, we're already in the trade before the stream, around 7:30, somewhere, maybe a little earlier than that. And I get on stream and I have to discuss the trade and I have to discuss, whatever else we have to discuss for the day, right? But this trade setup was placed in the trade, in the group, this morning when I got on stream. So you can go back, you can see I didn't have a trade. Now I have a trade. And I explained to you why I got into this trade. And literally, guys, no drawdown. No drawdown. We're sitting here in profit, up 100 pips. Let's see. Let's go. Let's see. We should be 100 pips down. Are we 100 pips yet? Nope, not 100 pips yet. Almost. Close to 80. So, where we're 80. We're almost at 100 pips, right? And we haven't even been on stream 30 or 40 minutes yet. We've only been here for, how long I've had the stream on? 35 minutes? And we've already hit, you know, all of our TPs. And we're closing this point of interest area out, like this target area. Here we got another target above. I'm not sure if we're going to reach it. We just have to watch and wait. Watch price action, correct? I'm just going to go ahead and take some profits off the table real quick. My MetaTrader 4. Because this was a really, really easy day. Let's go with, yeah, I'm going to take some money off the table. We said, no, I'm going to take half my profits off the table now. And then I'm going to just let the rest of it just ride. So, 23, okay. Okay. Alrighty. We're good. I'm happy with today's profits. I'm happy with today's stream. I don't know any, as far as like anything else I can actually point out to you guys, because I've already pointed out all of the liquidity areas on what we're targeting. And if we go to DXY, I mean, really, I'm just going to run you down real quick. Remember I said DXY got liquidity sitting below, right here. There's our money sitting there, and then we got a little money sitting there, right? But look at this gap. Look at this big old gap down here. This DXY, okay? So yeah, we got money sitting below. We could get this market to push back down, take out these double bottoms, right? We can get there, take the double bottoms with the gap below. Yeah, I'm aiming for that. So if I'm aiming for that on DXY, you already know what I'm going to do with gold. All right. We're going to aim for the tops. All right. We aiming for them tops. Tops. All right. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like, literally, I'm not going to keep you here and hold you here all day in class, right? If you know, we've already hit our target areas. Already. She smashed it. You know, I like doing this live because I can go back and see all my videos. And, you know, I just reiterate on everything that I've been saying. It's been playing out. It's true. It's true. I need you guys to see it too. All right? And it's different watching me do it and then you turn around and do it. You too can do the same thing. All right? It's not rocket science, right? There's a lot of information out there on trading. It's just you got to decide and pick and, you know, go through what is going to help you become profitable in your plan, your trading plan. Smart money concepts has always worked out for me from day one. Ever since I found out about it, I haven't traded any other way. And this is the only way that I'm going to trade forever. For real, I'm going to be honest with you. So, I mean, guys, what more do you want? She's going to go. Okay? I'm trying to see when we're going to get to this 100 pips here. We had 91 pips. Oh yeah, she's still moving strong. Even with me taking some partials, she's still flying. So that's good. There you go. There it is. Come on, give me 100. Where's 100? Right here. That's it, guys. She really taking on. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. We've already hit our TP 1, 2, and 3. There's no reason for us to really stay on stream any longer. I'm done. You guys can go ahead and go to a whole nother stream, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Somebody else's stream. I don't know. If you're watching some other traders trade live on this Tuesday, you know. But I appreciate everybody who's been coming to my stream, watching my streams, and subscribing to my channel, and listening to what I had to say, and actually following along. You know, that's the good student right there who comes with their pen and a notepad and they take notes, because you never know when I might say something that's going to trigger you. You know, you're going to get that aha moment, you feel me? All traders get it, right? And then, you know, you take that and it's implemented into your trading journey. Just that one thing that I mentioned, right? And that's valuable to me. You know, that's more valuable than money, right? That little spark, me saying something that sparks you, that elevates your trading, elevates your mindset, right? Honey pip, easy. Y'all see that? 100 pip, easy, and ooh, just nasty, guys. All right, man, that's all I got. I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. All right, I'm gonna actually get off of everything right now. I don't know why there's commercials on something like this. What is this? Spotify? Yeah, I don't know why there's a commercial on here, but whatever. All right, so I'm just gonna update the stream real quick. We'll go to the wins because we just smashed this win, guys. Like this win is crazy. All right, but we're doing it. We're doing it. All right. That's pretty much it. That's all I got for y'all on the stream. Um, I'm gonna go ahead and get the day started. We're gonna close this out before 9 o'clock. You guys got the trade. You have my ideas on where we can go. Just look at the prices on the left side, right? Screenshot this or something, right? And say, okay, man, Mo Diesel was right. You know, Mo Diesel was right. She said that it was gonna come up, and it came up. You know what I'm saying? I knew she was gonna go up here, over here. I just, just didn't have my stop further down enough to let her play and breathe and do all that good stuff, right? Okay, well, I'm actually going to get up and make me some tea now. Now that the job is done. Look at that, guys. You want to come to work and get the job done. You don't want to be at work all day just to complete the mission. We're like sitting on stream for hours and hours and hours is just crazy to me. I got things to do in my life. Give me a trade, give me an idea so that I can, make my next move. But I don't want to, as an instructor, I don't want to have you guys sitting here very long, right? I actually have some really, really great news, and I'm super excited about this news because this is something that I've always wanted to do, but I just never really, I don't know, I just never thought it would happen as fast as it's happening now. So super, super excited about that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys. So, okay, so I teach Forex. right? And I'm, thinking about wanting to teach more, mentor more. And somebody that I went to school with is now a principal at a school. And I'm coming up there on career day to talk to the kids about Forex. And these are high schoolers, right? I feel like them in high school are being bred and to be able to get out in the real world um, and tackle the real world. But I think that they don't implement enough about finances um, in high school. I remember being in high school and I don't remember anything about finances. I'm gonna be honest with you. So for me to be able to possibly have a Forex class and teaching at a high school is just a dream. I'm super grateful for that. So yeah, career day is coming up, and I'm going up here to talk to these kiddos about Forex and talk to the principal about actually implementing a class, an extracurricular in their program, and it would be me instructing Forex. That's just like amazing, guys. And you guys are the first ones to hear about it. I have been quiet about it for weeks, and now the time has finally come, and I'm excited. So to be able to show these kids this is going to be super powerful. Okay? Super, super powerful. And I literally cannot wait. I'm so excited that I can barely sit in my chair right now. All right? But but let's keep it moving and grooving, all right? Um I'm not gonna like I said, I'm not gonna hold you guys. We're done for the day. Thank you for coming to my stream. You already know what to do. Hit that bell and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Everything that you guys are doing for me is amazing. I'm watching my subscribers go up, and just to see like before I was at a low amount of subscribers, and now I didn't never think that I would hit 100 subscribers, and now I'm over 100 subscribers. It's 131, right? So let's keep it going. I appreciate everybody who's been helping me out, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern time. Be ready, because you know what I mean. I'm gonna be here. Make sure you're here and you show up. All right. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. Class is dismissed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. One love. Modizo out. Peace.